Imagine the perfect blend of warm pumpkin and sweet cinnamon, creating a mouth-watering treat that's irresistibly soft and fluffy. Top it off with a creamy frosting. Hi, I'm Gooey, and welcome back to Miss Cake Kitchen. Now, we'll all love classic cinnamon rolls, but trust me, pumpkin cinnamon rolls are on a whole new level. They have this incredible flavor and aroma that just scream fall. Let's get started. First, mix our dry ingredients. Add 12 grams sugar and pumpkin spice to 230 grams of all-purpose flour, 4 grams of active dry yeast, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Stir them and add to the mixer bowl. Next, add 60 grams of milk, 80 grams of pumpkin puree, and 20 grams of room temperature butter, and also 1 egg. Use the dough hook on the mixer and knead everything until it's super soft and smooth. Test the dough. If the dough is too sticky, add a tablespoon of more flour. And if it is too dry, just a splash more milk. Once the dough is ready, take it out, form the dough, and lightly grease mixing bowl. Put the dough back in, cover it and let it rise in a warm spot or even in your kitchen if it is not too cold, for about an hour and a half until it doubles in size. After that, roll it out into a big rectangle. Loving what you're seeing so far? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, drop a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'm excited to hear from you, and don't forget to check out my other videos too. I can't wait to connect with all of you. Spread some softened butter on top. Then sprinkle on a mixture of brown sugar and cinnamon. Roll it up gently. Slice it into equal pieces and place them in baking dish. Cover the rolls and let them rest for about 40 minutes so they can puff up nicely. Meanwhile, Preheat the oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit and bake them for 35 minutes until they are golden brown. Now for the frosting, mix icing sugar, pumpkin puree, cream cheese, and a touch of vanilla. Drizzle this delicious frosting over the warm rolls. And there you have it. This pumpkin cinnamon roll is the perfect blend of soft and fluffy texture. It's truly a taste of autumn in every bite. If you enjoy these delicious pumpkin cinnamon rolls, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and drop your thoughts in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you all, and stay tuned for more tasty treats.